Hey kiddos, let's draw some awesome cartoons together. Ready? Let's go!